Welcome to Futura Mining, a simpler way to access real Bitcoin mining power, without complexity, without hardware, and without hassle.
Let's take a look at how to purchase mining fractions from your dashboard. From your Futura Mining dashboard, tap the three dots in the top right corner and go to Shop. Scroll down and select the number of fractions you would like to purchase. Then click Purchase Fractions. Here you'll see your order details and selected payment method. Next, click Generate Payment Address. You will receive a Binance address where you need to send your payment. Make sure to complete the payment within 4 hours so your order can be confirmed. If the payment is not completed within this time, the order will expire and you will need to create a new one. Once your payment is completed, your mining fractions will be activated.
Futura Mining, real mining power made simple. Start mining, start earning.